Nude Combo Lip Color. I'm using a brown pencil. Whenever I do a nude lipstick combo, I usually use different color lip pencil according to what I'm going for, because nude lipstick does not look good on me. So I have to put more of a liner than the lipstick itself. I don't want to end up with a line, so I'm blending the lip liner into my lips. Now that I have this on, I am going to take, I have a Medusa lip color and its Fever is the shade. I'm going to take that now and use it. It's, as you can see, it's not nude, but it's the best one for my skin tone. So that nude is more on the berry side, as you can see. This is my lip combo. I'm going to do a nude lip, and you will see from the first video to this video the difference in the undertones of these nude lip colors. I'm going to use the same LA Girl brown liner. I'm going to line my lips before I put the nude lipstick. The brown is on. I'm using Sugar Daddy by Medusa Makeup, and this is the shade of nude I'm using. I always try to put a lot of brown and make sure it's meshed wider instead of just a line before I do a nude lipstick, because remember, all lipsticks don't have the same undertone, and all nude lipsticks don't suit my skin undertone. So I have to make it in a way where I can wear it even though it's not the right undertone, or I make sure I have the right undertone, but I still like to make the brown or whatever lip line I'm using much wider than the nude lipstick. So this is what this nude lipstick is looking like on me. That's a pretty undertone. That goes very well with me. I'll show you two nude lipstick with two different undertones. Let me swatch it for you. This is Sugar Daddy, and it has like a pinkish undertone, and that will suit me really good because I am a cool undertone and I have blue veins. So pink is in the cool family, so that will look good on me. Another nude that will look good on me is one that has a little bit of, if it has a blue or purplish undertone, that works good for me. If you look at this one, you can see it has like a little bluish or purplish undertone. That also looks good on my skin tone because I have cool undertone, but I also have yellow in my undertone. So these are the two nude lipsticks that will go with my undertone. If it was much lighter than that, it would put me off. I would look completely off, and that is because the right undertone is not in the lipstick. But this two lipstick has the correct undertone for my skin tone.